Well, hi and welcome. I'm super excited. I'm sitting here with a good friend and newest member to our team, Nadina Taylor, part of the C&C Financial Services group. And I'm super excited to be you watching this video, one. And two, what we're really going to do real quick in the next 5 to 7 minutes is really go through kind of the 5 key things we truly do believe is the most important to knowing if this is going to be a good fit or not. It may not be a good fit, but that's what we're going to try to make sure we accomplish during this video. So, starting off, number one, what a lot of folks really care about and really want to know about is training, right? In this industry of mortgage protection, a lot of agencies will just kind of hire you, throw you into a system and say, go figure it out, right? And so, with Nadina being brand new, got started about 30 days ago, but has absolutely been killing it. So I'm excited to be sharing this with you guys, with her. But, Nadina, kind of go through what our training kind of looks like.
Well, the training is really easy because it's actually when I got on board, there was a 7-step training that I received within my app, which was really easy. And it kind of guided me step by step. I wasn't alarmed. I didn't feel like I didn't know what to do. It helped to get me to the end, and it made me know as soon as I saw it, I says, okay, this is going to be easy as long as I follow through the steps. And it kind of taught me everything I wanted to know about the system as I went through the steps, and it gave me an ability to have faith in I could do it. I could really do it.
Yeah, and not only having the 7-step training program, we're actually going to step in and actually help you one-on-one. So we're actually going to train you. Not only that, we have training calls every single day of the week.
Every day.
If you want to hop on those, you can actually listen to people live dialing appointments. Not only that, our president and CEO, Barry Clarkson, gets on the call every Friday. He does not have to do that, but he does get on and speaks to us on that. And we even have live appointment sessions on Tuesdays to where you can actually get on and hear from elite producers doing exactly what you're going to be doing.
Exactly.
And so that's really what's really powerful about us, and that's why we were the number one last year, being able to get new agents up and going and everything of that nature. Now, why we're able to get people up and going is it really is our products, right?
Yeah.
So we're in the mortgage protection business, but our products are able to be life insurance policies that have living benefits. So has critical, chronic, terminal illnesses, even death then. But not only that, we work with A-class carrier.
A-class to the top, Mutual of Omaha, Americo, GPM, it's endless, the carriers that we have, Ethos, all of the top producers that have been around for years, Foresters, we work directly with them.
Yeah, and you mentioned a company that we're prideful with is a company called Government Personal Mutual. And so that allows us to be able to really be able to undercut a lot of different companies. And it allows them to be able to be, sometimes 20-30% cheaper than what some people are paying. So sometimes we'll call clients and be like, oh, I already have a policy. Hey, not a problem. Your file wasn't closed out. Let's do a quick policy review. See what you actually have. Go through that. And you know what? We probably can save you money. So that's really powerful with what we do also. But you're probably wondering, we got training. We got products. Now, how do we get clients, right? We are not going to have you go through your family and friends. I'm not gonna be like, hey,
I
need a list of 50 people that we're gonna go sell insurance to. Nah, okay. So you can do that. Nothing against that, but I've been in the industry now for 5 years, and I've never reached out to friends or family or anything like that. Now they've reached out to me to get insurance, but I've never reached out to them. And so with our leads, they're direct mail.
They are.
So these are clients that have actually hand-filled it out.
Handwritten. They want the insurance. They want it.
Yeah. So, I don't know about you, but if somebody picks up a piece of mail and hand fills it out and mails it back in, they're probably interested.
They need it.
So, and not only that, we work with people that are qualified in the aspect of financially qualified because they had to have either purchased a home, refinanced the home, or taken out a home equity line, and that's how we've gotten the information.
Exactly.
So, and are they really expensive leads, or how do those range?
Well, they range from $150 all the way to $11. So it's very affordable for any onboarding agent that wants to come on board with us. It's so easy that you don't have to worry about, do I have enough money to buy all the leads? It can range from $150 all the way up to $11, and they're great leads because they are leads that are, as you said before, handwritten. And they're leads that come directly to us, and we get so many of them each day until there's enough leads that we can't have enough. We need more agents.
Not only that, when you do speak to Nadina, you'll have to ask her about our profit sharing because we actually help you pay for those leads.
Yes.
And I promise you, Nadina, I will not give you my hard-earned money if they're not good leads. So I guarantee that. So transitioning to number 4, that's going to be our compensation. I would honestly put our compensation package up against anybody in the industry. What's that been like for you? Because you just got into it. I know you started at a 70% commission,
Yes.
and now what happened after your very first month?
The very first month, after doing 20,000 in sales, I actually went from 70% to 105% contract in 30 days. If it's doable for me, it is definitely doable for you. Definitely.
And you say that because why? You're not full time in this business, are you?
I'm not full time. I own my own company and have been very active with it for 32 years. Doing taxes, and so as you mentioned, C&C Financial Services Group. So I do quite a bit as an accountant, a financial accountant. So this is something you can do and still make the money. And I was still able to make this kind of money in less than 30 days with the business that I have. And this is January, so you can imagine tax season is full in bloom. So yes.
Yeah, so she's putting in some time, but not a lot of time. So if like you said, imagine if you're doing this full time instead of just part time, what the opportunity can actually entail.
Yeah.
So rounding out number 5, what a lot of agents also want to know is there a future in this besides just me selling insurance, right? And the answer is 100% yes. I've built an agency. We've hired actually just this last week about 45 licensed agents in just 1 week. And that kind of just puts you to a testament of why we're growing so fast.
Yes.
Probably because we have a good system.
We have a real easy system.
And so the nice thing about this too is we pretty much have, I would say, unlimited clients. You can go in and purchase leads anytime you want. I've never ran out. But we're putting it to the test. We're going to hire as many people as we can until we hit that point. But with that being said, you're looking for new agents. And why did you want to get started right away doing that?
Well, I know that the opportunity is available for as many as want to be independent, want to become independent and actually make their own money and pave their own way. Building this business is important to me so that I can share with others how easy it is for them to be debt-free for themselves and retire themselves early if you want to. I think about you, Brady, retiring yourself in one day and doing what you do at a very delicate age. And I could say that it's possible because of the support system that we have. So I'm just glad that we believe in building and getting others involved because of the system is so easy, it's so user-friendly, and it allows you to do what we want to do, and that is live a free life sooner. So you can retire, enjoy your family. Everything's in place to do that, and it's just very natural.
Yeah, and the beautiful thing about this, I always think back to when I first got started in the industry is I was looking for something new, right?
Okay.
I was tired of working a 9 to 5.
Yeah.
And the same thing happens in this business, right? We love selling insurance, but that's to pay our bills,
Yeah.
right? At some point, you're probably gonna get tired of selling insurance also. And so that's the luxury of this business is that we have a built-in system to get you out of the field,
Yeah.
right? You can follow our system, hire some folks, train, mentor them, and you're still helping protect families. And so that's a really nice thing about that. And we can talk to you more about that later on. So
Exactly.
If this is something that you're interested in, what would be the best way to reach out to you?
You can reach out to me personally at 813-489-0945. You can reach out to our office. We're available 24 hours a day. We have answering services. We'll answer even if it's 4 o'clock in the morning. You can call us and someone will get that message to me. You can reach out to us through our portal. Brady, is it...
Yeah,
you want to
so
reach out?
you can, if you got this message through a text message,
Yep, a text
you can also
message.
just respond back to that, and we'll schedule a time with you through that. So there's a lot of different ways that you can do that, but definitely reach out to Nadina. You're going to be in amazing hands with her. It's incredible what you've been able to accomplish, and we're excited to see if this is an opportunity for you. So thank you so much.
Yes, thank you. Thank you for joining us.